Hello again, and welcome to our video. This is Andrew at Anomali, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the HAFNIUM threat and how organizations with Anomali toolsets can take advantage from a C-level all the way down to an analyst to identify a potential compromise. We are only 3 months into 2021, and so far the amount of high-profile data breaches is astronomical. Now, more than ever before, organizations need to understand potential impact these publicly disclosed data breaches have on them. So let's take a look at this HAFNIUM threat. Now, what exactly is the HAFNIUM problem that is occurring around the world? Basically what happens is Microsoft has discovered that there's a zero-day exploit targeting Exchange server. So if you have a Microsoft Exchange server running on your corporate environment, which, let's face it, all organizations big and small likely have running, then you have a problem. So a lot has been written about the threats, a lot of indicators of compromise have been shared, a lot of data has basically been put out as situational awareness. Now, using the ThreatStream platform, obviously we can categorize and prioritize this specific threat to make sure that we have got a single view of this specific prioritized intelligence requirement that we're looking at. So as you can see in my ThreatStream dashboard, I have focused all my energy on creating a HAFNIUM dashboard and looking specifically for indicators of compromise that I can then use in my downstream integrations, be it my EDR, my proxies, my firewalls, so that I am adequately protected while we are doing triage. So how exactly does an Anomali CISO or analyst find the problem quickly? Now, if we look at this blog that was written by Microsoft when this news broke, there's a lot of data contained here. CVEs, host IOCs, all kinds of different things that we need to run through and understand what the threat is all about. But the number one question that we need to answer is, are we affected by this? So what we can do is we can hook match and lens together on this page and run a scan to see if we are impacted. And in a few seconds, match gives us the answer that we need. The answer, unfortunately for us, is yes. We have these hashes on our network that are being mentioned in this Microsoft blog. And of course, with a single click, a CISO, an analyst, or anyone with access can view the exact scale of the problem. Now, because we've scanned and we've searched for the indicators from the Microsoft blog that broke the news, does that mean we are now fully protected and we are not impacted? Of course not. This is an ever-evolving threat, and there are new indicators being published daily, and a lot of security vendors are of course doing more research around the topic. In this example, we've now found a brand new blog from the guys at Velexity with some brand new indicators of compromise. So the same thing will apply. We will scan the page as we did before with Microsoft, and then we are going to look for the exact same thing. Or do we have any matches? Again, indeed we do. However, in this case, what Lens has done, being a natural language processor, it has read the sentences described in this Velexity article and has tied them down to TTPs in the MITRE ATT&CK framework. But let's get to what's important. We've identified matches to attacker IPs in this blog. So let's go and view them in match. And there we go. It's as simple as that. A task that would normally take weeks to achieve is now done in a matter of minutes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any more questions regarding any of the solutions that you've seen in this video, reach out to us at www.anomali.com.